Hi and welcome to my channel. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel to support us. Today we have our mail. We have a package. I think it's some kind of handheld consoles. Let's check. Okay. I hope it's an original box. My God, what we have here, it's Sega Game Gear TV tuner. We'll test it. I think I have to replace this antenna. Oh, what we have else, it's gamate. It's super rare one. Let's check if it's working or not. So wow, we have a game cartridge too. We need 4 batteries. Check. Does it work? Not. Unfortunately, I think it's not working. Let's check this cartridge. Okay. I think it's reversed. Oh my God. No. It's this way. Let's check again. Check contrast. Nothing. Alright. 6 sounds. Press start. Nothing at all. So we have to disassemble this device and check. Think it's super rare one. Yeah. Please subscribe to my channel and follow the incoming videos to check it together. Thank you.